Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off live captions in the volume control setting on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and then select the settings gear button, and then go down and select sound and vibration. Scroll down again and select where it says live caption. Scroll down all the way to the bottom to where it says live caption in volume control. If you want to enable that, you want to toggle to the right like you see on my screen. Otherwise, you click inside the oval to turn it off, which would be grayed out at that point. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.